Organize your thoughts, crafting clear and concise English explanations. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's video. We'll be focusing on a very important skill in our conversational English series, organizing your thoughts. This skill will help you formulate clear and concise explanations in English. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first. Why is it important to organize your thoughts? When you are explaining something, your explanation should be logical and easy to follow. A well-organized explanation helps your listener understand your point better and faster. Always remember, clarity and conciseness are key to effective communication. Now, let's discuss a few techniques that can help you organize your thoughts. 1. Outline your thoughts. Just like writing an essay, it's helpful to create a mental outline. Know your main points and the supporting details before you start explaining. 2. Keep it simple. Avoid using jargon or complex language. Stick to simple, everyday words whenever possible. 3. Use examples. Examples can make your explanations more concrete and easier to understand. Let's put these techniques into practice with some examples. 1. Let's say you're explaining why you like reading books. First, outline your thoughts. You might say, there are 3 main reasons why I enjoy reading. It's relaxing, it's educational, and it expands my imagination. Notice how this provides a clear structure for your explanation. 2. Keeping it simple. Instead of saying, literature provides a conduit for intellectual stimulation, say, reading books makes me think and learn new things. The latter is simpler and clearer. 3. Using examples. If you're explaining how to bake a cake, include specific examples. Instead of just saying, mix the ingredients, say, for example, start by mixing 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Remember, improving your English explanations will take time and practice. Try to use these techniques in your everyday conversations. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. And that's it for today's lesson on organizing your thoughts to provide clear and concise English explanations. Remember, outline your thoughts, keep it simple, and use examples. I hope you found this video useful and can put these techniques to good use in your English conversations. See you in our next video.